Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're in the jackpot. Now come back here, Zach. That's fine. We just need one. All right. We're here at IHOP. I got to get Zach to come back here. Come here. Come here. We're here at IHOP on Lima and Washington Center if anybody wants to come party with us.
What up?
Now you gotta record. I'm gonna show you power doors and then you can do it. I want to show everybody power doors, okay? You got to do power doors. And you feel powerful. When you're having, go do power doors. I'm telling you, make you feel better, 100%. You're having a bad day, stuff's not going your way, you got to come and do some power doors. It's just like you can't give, here I'll tell, see?
Welcome to MD
Power doors. It's just like you cannot high five somebody without being happy. Can't do it. Give me a high five. You cannot be unhappy doing a high five. All right, that is my public service announcement. Come get some IHOP with us. We're hungry. We're going to eat. Bye-bye.